Hello, my name's Paul Cochrane from Cochrane & Co. And I guess by viewing this video, you're curious or thinking about having a hair replacement system. Things you should be looking for is a stylist that's switched on. They're looking out for you and they're looking to discover exactly what you want. Unfortunately, there are salons that will play on your vulnerability. You need to think that they are being honest to you. And your first experience in a salon, if they're trying to sell you a package, you don't know whether that system's going to be good, bad or indifferent for you. It may last a year, you may hate it, but either way you're going to be spending a year's worth of instalments for systems that you do or do not need to have. It's a question that you only could answer yourself. So if you feel confident with the salon, that's fantastic, crack on. If you feel slightly iffy, slightly vulnerable, step away. In our salon, we're quite open about it. It's a hair service. That's what I prefer, and that's how I view it.